Breaking it down. Understanding break from studies. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often puzzles learners: break from studies. This video aims to unravel its meaning, usage, and context to help you grasp this phrase like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Break from studies refers to a period of time when a person temporarily stops their educational activities. This can be a short interval like a day or a week, or longer periods like a semester. The key here is the idea of pausing academic pursuits, not abandoning them entirely. This break is often taken to relax, de-stress, or attend to other life aspects. Taking a break from studies is crucial for maintaining mental and physical health. It allows students to recharge. Continuous studying can lead to burnout. A break helps in rejuvenating one's energy and focus. Gain perspective. Stepping back from studies can provide a fresh outlook, helping to tackle academic challenges with renewed vigor. Balance life. Breaks enable students to attend to other important areas of life, like family, hobbies, or work. Maximizing the benefits of a break involves more than just stepping away from textbooks. Here are some tips. Plan relaxing activities. Engage in hobbies or activities that you enjoy and find relaxing. Stay active. Physical activities, like walking or sports, can be particularly rejuvenating. Socialize. Spend time with friends or family to reconnect and relax. Avoid overplanning. The goal is to relax, not replace studying with another form of stress. Returning to studies after a break can be challenging. To ease this transition, plan ahead, set a clear date for when your break ends and your studies resume. Set goals. Outline what you aim to achieve once you're back to studying. Ease into it. Start with lighter study sessions and gradually increase the intensity. We hope this video has clarified the concept of a break from studies and its importance in a student's life. Remember, taking a break is not a sign of weakness but a strategic step towards better learning and well-being. Until our next video, keep learning. And don't forget to take your well-deserved breaks.